Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to repot the Ficus lyrata. If you're already excited to see this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The plant does not look so well, which could mean there is something stopping its growth. There are roots spreading around the soil, but also this plastic netting where the plant is in. This is probably why the plant is not doing so well. Although it is quite difficult to remove, it is important to remove it. Use scissors if necessary and pluck the netting away. Put the plant in a new bigger pot with new potting soil mixture. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!